Ay, yes, okay na. Okay na.
Ito na po sila. Si Olaf and si Princess Anna. Ito na si Olaf and si Anna.
Sana.
Ayan.
You're gonna hug Anna? Okay. It's like the one that we did in Hong Kong, right?
Okay.
Meeting the Disney princesses. Are you gonna sing Let It Go? Okay, let's see.
They're here na. Sabi nila, they're there on the other kwarto. Ready ka na ba?
Okay.
Let's go na.
We're gonna meet Anna na. and
Singing!
Lola.
Are you excited na ba?
Let's just meet them and then after Santa na. Okay? Then after. Ay, hindi. Wala tayong gift kay Santa. Sige na. Let's just meet them. Di ba you want to meet them na?
Ready ka na? Ready na? Why? Di ba you wanna meet... Anna and Olaf. Tara na, Anna and Olaf na. Huwag na mag-cry. Gusto niya makita. Sabay kayo ni Papa, ni Olaf. Sabay ka muna. Ayan na, ready ka na? Oh, here's Anna and Olaf. Oh, si Olaf.
Anna!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Sino yan? Si Anna and Olaf yan, oh.
Yan! Yay! Okay? Just leave him, mami.
Tara na, Anna and Olaf na.
I don't want. I want to do.
Gusto niya makita. Sabay kayo ni Papa.
Mommy, I don't want. I don't want.
Ay, makarinig ka sa talaga.
Ready ka na? Oh, here's Anna
I
and
just
Olaf.
can't.
Oh,
Hello!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
sino yan? Si Anna and Olaf yan, oh.
Yan! O, di ba? Okay?
Nawala nga, nawala nga. Takot eh.
Stop na.
Anna, oh.
Hi, Princess Anna!
Huwag na mag-cry, huwag na mag-cry.
Saan mo gusto? Si Santa.
So, ako puro ano pa si Anna, oh. That's Anna.
Oh.
Wow! Wow! Uy! Like a princess. Twirl ka na, twirl. Paano ba twirl mo?
Dalawa na ni.
Show your twirl.
Like this sa video natin. O, di na mo. Dali ka twirl kayong dalawa. Dali. Ay, arte na lang.
Oh, damo ako magdadang si Ana. Oh, Ana, yay!
Oh, twirling si Ana. Oh.
Wow!
Gawa, maganda mo nga yung twirl mo. Pakita mo lang. Sige na. I'll hold you. Let's twirly. Can you hug Ana? Sige na, hug mo si Ana. Can you hug
Si Ana,
her?
dali babay na si
Oh,
Ana.
magbabay na si Anna, magbabay na.
Hug mo na siya. Para magbabay na si Ana doon. Hug na real quick. Okay. Bye-bye, Ana. Okay? Okay ba? Okay? O, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you. Bye-bye, Ana. See you again. Thank you for visiting our Seska. O, say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Flying kiss kay Ana, flying kiss kay Ana.
Okay. Bye-bye na po.
Babay na ako ha. Babay mo si Ana.
She wants to be Santa na daw.
Wala.
No, I now.
Who's knocking? Is that Santa? What do you think? Let's go. Let's try to check the door. Maybe he's there with the gifts already. Let's go. I'm gonna open. Okay.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Hi!
Hi, Santa! Hi, Santa! Say hi to Santa! What's your name though? What's your name?
Jessica, I'm Santa. Nice to meet you.
Oh, hold hands. Yay! Hi, Santa! Santa, I'm the mommy of Seska.
Hi!
What do you have there?
Gift for Jessica.
Wow, gift!
Come here.
Oh, let's go to Santa.
Gift for Santa. Why don't be scared? Are you a good girl? What's your request for Santa?
What's your request?
What's your request for Santa Claus? Ho, ho, ho.
Yun na anak, ano yung mga request mo na gift para gi-give niya dali?
iPad? What else? What's that? Stroller? What else? Number blocks and what else? You want 4 gifts? Okay, can you show me your dance first so I can see if I will give you your gifts? Go! Ho,
that?
ho, ho!
Da-da-dee, da-da-dee, da-da-dee.
Whoa!
Da-da-dee-da-da-dee.
Okay, this is your gift. Are you ready? Ho, ho, ho! This is for you.
Wow!
Can you open?
What are you gonna say to Santa?
Can you say Merry Christmas, Santa? Okay, can you open it now? Okay, let me see. Let's see if you're gonna like my gift for you.
Oh, let's open, sis.
Are you excited?
Ano kaya yan, sis? Let's open.
What's that? What could that be? What's that, Seska?
Seska, what's that? Number blocks!
Wow!
Is that one of your wish list? Yeah? What are you gonna say to Santa? Why, thank you, Santa!
You like it?
Oh, picture kayo ni Santa with the number blocks there, dali!
Come here, baby.
Oh, come here kay Santa! Oh, smile! Pakita mo yung number blocks mo, anak! Smile, Sisi! Ay, galing ah! Thank you, Santa! Ano?
What's your next request?
Ano pa? Ano pa gusto mo, dali? Habang nandito si Santa!
What else do you want?
Okay na.
Yes, I have more kids for the gift pa. What else do you want?
Oh, what else do you want? Dito, Santa na! What else do you want? Yan lang? Wala nang iba?
I'm gonna go now? Okay, I'll go?
We have 3 more! We have 3 more! You tell pa yung others! 3 more gift. Ano pa gusto mo? Ha? Ano po? Stroller daw, Santa!
Ho, ho, ho! Let's see if I can
Oh, you like that one?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Can you open?
Open
That's
na.
my gift for you. What are you gonna tell me? What are you gonna say to me? Okay, you go open na.
Go, sira anak.
It's so hot in here. Oh no! It's dangerous. What's that? What's that, Seska? Is that what you wish? Is that what you want for? What's that? Are
What's
you
that,
happy?
sis?
Are you happy? I think you're not happy.
Are you happy with that?
Can you tell me one dance first? If you're happy, can you dance if you're happy?
Ajig, 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 ajig.
Can you show me faster?
Yay!
Okay.
Oh, picture with Santa with the stroller
Come
na.
here. Picture with me.
Oh, smile! Smile to Santa sana. Okay.
What's this one? What else do you want? What else do you want?
Oh, what else do you want?
Seska,
Stroller, number blocks. What else, Sisi? Sisi, what else?
you want me to open this one for you? Okay. I think you're not believing me.
Is that stroller? Tingnan mo nga, baka mamaya. Candies lang yun. Check mo. If it's a stroller.
Is this a stroller ba?
If it's a stroller. Woo!
Is this a stroller? Are you happy?
Santa, can you open it? So, Seska can sit down.
I'll open it.
What are you gonna say? Are you happy? Yay!
Wow! I bought this in North Pole.
Ginawa daw ng mga elves yan, Sisi.
Yes. The 10 elves helped me build this one. I don't know how to open. Oh, oh, oh. What's your next gift? What's your next request?
Jingin, what's your next request?
What's your next request?
We have number blocks, we have stroller, what else pa?
You want Lego? Okay,
Wow!
I'll give you Lego kasi you're a good baby. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, this one is for you.
Yay!
Oh, oh, oh.
You wanna open that one? Oh, let's go. Go to Santa.
Check this one. That's for you.
Open, open anak.
I bought this in North Pole.
Open na, sila, go!
Ho, ho, ho. What's that? What is this one? What's that? You like it?
Wow! You like that one? Oh, wala ka na si Santa.
Let's picture again.
Oh, let's picture again with the Lego.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, smile, Sisi.
Smile, smile.
Smile, Sisi. Look at the camera. Okay.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, what
What's your
else?
last request for Santa?
Ano pa, Sisi? You have Lego, you have number blocks, you have stroller. What else pa's missing?
What else do you want?
Wala na?
Tell me. Tell
Wala
me
na?
what you want. Ho, ho, ho. What do
Sisi,
you want? What else do you want?
what pa? You tell na. Alis na yan. Sige
I'm
na.
gonna go now. Tell me what you want so I can give it to you. What
You
else?
want? What?
What else? Don't be shy.
Overwhelmed na siya, Santa. Dami niya ng gift eh. One more, anak. One more.
What else?
Sis.
I received your letter. You said you want iPad. You want iPad too? Are you sure? Are you a good girl ba? To your mommy and daddy? And do you love your daddy ba? How big is your love for daddy? Like that? Are you sure? Can you say I love you daddy? So much? Okay, ho ho ho! Because you're a good girl this year, I'll give you this one. Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, Seska!
Here, anak. You open.
Ho ho ho! Is that the correct name? I'm not sure. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! What is that?
Are you sure? Baka box lang yan, Santa.
Ho ho ho! Can you hug Santa?
Sabi mo, wait lang, Santa. Baka hindi totoo yan.
What is Santa? Do you love Santa? Okay, good.
You wanna open? Open, anak.
Do you love your daddy? How big is your love with daddy? So can you show it first? Like that big? Wow. What's that?
Let's open, anak. Slowly,
Baka
ha.
hindi yan.
Santa, baka niloloko mo kami, ha.
Oh. Huwag kang matot, Seska.
Give me the kalat, anak. Ayun na, you open it na, you open na.
Merry Christmas!
Pataas, anak, pataas.
You want me to help you?
Santa, can you help her, Santa?
Okay. Ho, ho, ho. Ready? Can you dance one more time? Can you say, I love you, Daddy? Okay. Alright, you got 1, 2.
Is that an iPad, sis? Are you sure?
Let me open it for you. Is this your request?
Baka malaglag, Santa. Can you try opening it, anak? Paano open yan?
You know how to open?
Face up, finger.
Are there games already?
Wow!
What are
You
you gonna
like
say
it?
to Santa?
Are you happy?
Because of that, we don't have anything to eat as a North Pole.
Are you happy, sis? Oh, one more picture kay Santa with the iPad.
Oh, here.
He needs to go na din. Oh, Daddy, Santa. Okay, Santa. Oh,
Give me your biggest smile, please.
okay.
I have another gift for you.
What's that?
Can you say, do you love daddy ba talaga? Are you sure? Hey, how about your mommy? How big is your love kay daddy? Like that big? How big is your love kay mommy? Big din. This one is my gift for you.
What's that, Santa?
This is a cover. Baka ba sino ka? Sayang naman.
You're one and only girl. Kaya, meron ko game.
Are you gonna play this one na? Merry Christmas! Can you say Merry Christmas, everyone? I love you, Daddy! Thank you, Santa! Okay, here you go. How about your other gift? Do you like your other gift? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Santa, can you take a picture with us, Santa, before you go?
Okay.
There. Come here, anak. Let's take a picture.
Ho, ho, ho! Let's go, let's take a picture!
Kaya ni Santa.
Kaya rin Santa.
No, I'm carrying a... Ho, ho, ho!
Excited ka na. Smile mo na. Smile, bigyan may iPad.
Let's go. 1, 2.
Awa ba?
Smile. Welcome, Mama Baby. Mama Baby. And Papa Boy. Papa Boy. Come here. Come here, Iho. Iho. Ikaw ba yung naging mabait kayong takot, Iho?
No, hindi.
Ay, nako, patay ka.
No gift.
One. Oh, Iho. Sama ka
Merry
sa
Christmas!
One, two. Selfie, selfie.
Rocky, Rocky,
Selfie.
Rocky, Rocky, Rocky,
Rocky.
Rocky, Rocky.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho.
Bye, Santa!
Sa kanila, Santa.
Aba, meron siya.
What do you want first? Ano? iPad talaga, oh.
Very good si Santa.
Kasi,
Meron ka pa, Santa? Ano pa yan?
ho, ho, ho. Ito kay Papa Boy dahil ikaw naging mabait ngayong taon. Merry Christmas!
Papa Boy.
Ay, ayaw ni Papa Boy. Aalis
Ayun
na
na,
ako.
ayun na nga, Santa, nanginginig na.
Wait lang, nasa na, lumatachi. Hindi.
Ho, ho, ho. Nakangalay na ako. Ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Picture daw.
Oh, thank you.
Wait.
Ako pa ni favorite mo yan.
Sorry po, wait
Picture,
lang.
picture, picture kami. Sama ka, Chingay. Chingay, sama ka. Chingay,
Busy na sa iPad.
dali, dali. Tabi ka dito.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, dito. Chingay dito. Dito. Papa, dali, punta kita. Dito. Tabi ka sa amin.
Ayaw na, Dad. Kayo na lang.
Picture. Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, Santa!
Ho, 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 ho.
Wala na, Santa? Ah, meron pa? Para kay Mama Babes.
May bahay. Sa'yo daw.
Ah, sa akin?
May bahay.
Wala pa sa internet, anak. Later na.
Dahil alam ko ikay nangangailangan na. Ho, ho, ho.
Thank you, Santa.
Oh, picture Santa.
Santa, nasan ka na?
Guys,
Ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. Picture muna.
Wow, dami.
Sama pa ako?
Ay, dali, sama doon tayo.
Sige lang, dito lang si Mami.
Ho, ho, ho.
Okay, okay na, Dad.
Ano yung favorite?
Meron pa sa yung letter. Si Santa Claus.
Hindi man ikaw gumawa niya, Santa, eh.
Ano ba yan, baby?
Oh, dear family, Merry Christmas. I love you. Jessica.
Wow! Did you write that one? Ikaw nag-write?
Si Mama. Christmas, Jessica.
Ho, ho, ho. Okay na yun. Wala na. Bye, Jessica!
Bye,
Don't
Santa!
give other gifts to other kids, okay? Be always good and love your daddy. Do you love your daddy? How big? Okay, bye. I love you.
Bye, Santa! Sa akin, Santa, wala kang gift?
Wala.
Ah, wala. Bakit?
Ay! Meron pa ako. This is for you. That's Jessica's gift. Oy!
Ah, nasa baba, Dad. Nasa baba. Naipit sa baba. No, there. Sa labas. Sa baba po, sa labas ng box po, Santa.
Good.
There! Sa may ano. Oh, you see, Santa.
Oh, car! Mabait kang ako. This is my gift for you.
Uy, wala kayong picture. Picture kayo.
Sure.
Picture tayo din. Picture. Smile!
Can you join us, Jessica?
Join mo na anak, wala pang wifi yan.
Bye! Bye, guys!
Bye, thank you.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you, Santa. Merry Christmas! Bye-bye!
Wow! Picture mo na with Mama and Papa. Smile! Smile! Smile sa video. Singin! Ay, stop your nose po. Stop picking your nose.
Smile!
Open! Open na, open na, open.
Open mo muna pa. Here sa akin, kinokonect ko sa wifi.
Open. Wow!
Wow!
Galing kay Papa yan.
Wow! Merry Christmas!
Wow! Chicka's favorite!
O, saya. O, kiss Mama and Papa. Kiss mo sila kasi they give you a gift. Kiss. Papa, Papa. Kiss Papa. Ayan mo. Thank you, Papa and Mama. Merry Christmas. I love you.
Kay, regalo ko kay Kai. Kai, regalo namin ni Papa sa'yo. Kunin mo dun.
Oo! Meron din. Meron ka din, syempre. Ano, yung bigas. Yung bigas yung sa'yo.
Picture ha, picture.
Tingnan mo yung loob niyan, Buma. Tingnan mo to.
Alam ko nakita.
Para makita ni Pate. Yan naman nanginginig din yan.
Picture si Kai.
Picture mo, Kyle. Abot mo sa kanya, Muma.
Namin yan ni Papa.
Wow. A picture.
Ha? Bigyan lang natin bigyan kayo kaya.
Pate, dito pa. Okay.
Panawagan. Hindi magigano.
Pati na may mga baby sa'yo. Mga fruits nyo. Pero man, tinignan.
Papa, yung food. Saan lang? Sa sila.
Ayun, no. Ay, sa Lego po yun. What's that? Siyempre, siksik-lig-lig tayo. Ay, kaya size ka po yun.
Wow! Kompleto ah! Dami pa pa. My favorite.
Favorite yung detergent.
My favorite.
Wow! I love it! Ah! Kasi paano ito tinatayo?
Yun, i-fold mo. Ano yan? Hand wash. Ay. Kay lang yung mga yan eh. Chocolate yan. Chocolate drink. Kay lang yan.
Natin kami ni Kai. Paman. Nakpo! Natin. Tulad ni Chingay.
Para kay lang din yan.
Ano to?
Close.
Ako kay lang ito. Piso meeting ko eh.
Close.
Kaya lang ito.
What are you gonna say? Ano sabi mo kay Kuya Will?
Hi! Ito ang sulat ni Chingay. Oh, kakatuwa. Oh, tinan mo. Oh, dear family, Merry Christmas. I love you. Jessica. Ayun. Jessica! Thank you po ha.
Ching, not too close, Ching. Hirap ko ba dito po? Ganito na yan?
I think they're still missing something.
Kaya may ginamit din yung dito, no? Kung po kayo. Ilalim mo.
Siya nakagap.
Is it good?
Is it comfy? Ayan na. Bana. Oh, ito pa.
Chicken. Menudo.
Oh, menudo.
Our tusok-tusok. And spaghetti. And then we also have here pizza.
Nabawas na.
And meron pa sa
Ang
baba.
daming binawas.
Let's eat na. Yeah! Doon na, bigay kay daddy! Huwag mo i-open muna! Chi, huwag mo muna i-open, mamaya na. Give to daddy.
Ay! Ayun barya! Ayun barya, Chingo! Kampo? Ano may barya, oh? Ayun may barya, oh! Kunin mo yung barya kay
Kulit na talaga to eh. Ano mga tayo na? Ding-ding!
Mag-kenting-kenting.
Oh, ganda-ganda kay Lolo, kay Wawa
Slow
Alvin.
mo, ah.
Wawa
Alvin! Kay Wawa Alvin! Kendeng 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 kendeng. Ano to sa kanila? Ano to sa kanila?
Para kay Lolo.
Ano ka doon? Kendeng 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 kendeng. A bit faster. Kendeng kendeng.
Clown namin yan eh.
Ayun na. Ikaw magbigay para ano sa'yo?
Ching!
Nga si Wawa Alvin ah.
Ching, Caroline ka pa dito. May magbibigay pa sa'yo.
May magbibigay. Caroline ka pa. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
We wish you a Merry Christmas muna. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Thank you na.
Ay! We wish you a Merry Christmas pa!
Isang taon, ano na yan? Pwede na mga kuling.
Come here!
Hindi pa tapos. May kadali.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Harap ka doon, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Ay, naku, Ching.
Naririnig kasi niya eh.
Wow, may pancake. Oh, parang Mama Bay 2.0 kate ah.
Local version.
Local version ah. Ayun pa dati yan yun. Hindi ko pa yun. Mama Bay ba to? Wow naman. Oh. Bigay mo, Ching. Isang isa. Kanina yan. Kanina yan. Akin Java, alam niya? Oh, give it to Java.
Siya pumili niyan eh.
Uy, tinapon mo!
Bubuksan mo muna, anak.
Open mo yung plastic.
Bigyan tinapon. Tawagin mo siya.
Java, come here. Wow!
Bigyan mo amin yun, Dad.
Oh, tawagin mo siya. Kuya Jace, pasok ka dito.
Java, that's yours. Natunog yung quiz. Quiz, ito, oo. Dali. Ma.
Wow! What is that?
Parang yan yung sa Atos din.
Hindi ah. Wow! Escenario boy.
Ito pa.
Ayan kay galing kay Mama Baby Macaroni.
Lagay na ito na. Okay, o give na na.
O, give mo na yung mga gift dyan.
Chi, o kanina to, Chi. Ito kanina to. Ay, hindi marunong.
O, bigyan mo.
What na?
O, buksan mo muna. Yung Toyota, yung Torotot ayaw niya.
Huwag na muna magtulotot, Ching.
Grabe pa siya. Ang loko talaga to.
Askador talaga eh. Askador eh. Gusto mo lang siya yung mga ganyan. Yung mga Alaska.
Asar.
Mabuksan mo na ito.
Open.
Mga simpleng ano lang. Simpleng regalo. Kay Chingay galing yan.
Wow, meron si Chingay.
Uy, that's not yours.
No, pero naka sa house ni Ching. No, the other one sa house.
Masahin mo kung ano. Ako din ko. Ah, di ba? Meron na ako. Oo. Thank you. Wow. Yoko. Christmas card. Ang ganda. Hindi nakita ko eh. Wow. Dear family, Merry Christmas. I love you all. Seska. Thank you.
O, Ching, bigyan mo yung gift ni Tata. Aka ni Mama Mi.
Dali, kunin mo. Ayan.
Ang laki ata, Ching eh.
King, kunin mo na yung gift, oh. Bigay mo kay Tata.
Open na yung Tata. Check this toy, Jabba.
Check this toy, Java. Check this toy, Java. Iniinis niya si Java. What is this?
Natuwa ka.
Wow! Oh, I like it.
Tawag mo.
Ay! Uy, I like this. Hindi ako makabili kasi mahal.
May tape pa.
Hindi mo alam kung ano eh. Nakalagay Bible verse jar. Wow, thank you, G. Wow. Thank you. Mama mi, What's that? This is Bible verse jar. Hindi ko na nabubuksan. Tagal ko na itong hindi na ano. Mahal kasi.
I don't know how to open.
Itong Mama Bay 2.0.
Why?
Ito.
Ano ba ito, Ching? Is this a grocery?
O, sige, ikaw na magtingin yan, Ma.
Anak naman na. Okay. Ipihaya ka. Ayun. Ay, yung kesa di ba wala na? Ay, oo. It's for you. Wow. Ipihaya, oh.
Biyoyo.
Biyaya.
Yeah, sabi niya.
Paano to? It's not glowing.
Hira kasi yung isa dyan po.
Uy, pang. Wow. Wow. Thank you. What is that? What is that? Wow! Thank you very much. Wow, thank you. Oh, mami. Ayan na. Oo. Ay. Alam mo, wala. Talagang. Mama Bay. Second.
You say, thank you, Mama Jen.
O, hindi yan sa'yo. Sa kanila yan. Sa kanila yan.
Meron ka lang ganyan sa house natin.
Give mo,
diba?
give mo dun. Give mo.
That's for them po.
You like beef?
Subong.
Oh. Ah. Open. Ano?
I love you. Singin. Singin. Look mo. Sing.
Kanina to. Aray ko.
Ano pa rin?
Singo. Oh,
Sing ka muna, sing.
asin muna. Kanta muna. Open mo na.
Open mo, anak. That's yours. Regalo ng tatay yan sa'yo. Open mo, dali. Sira mo, sira.
Wow, wow. Dami naman tissue nito, girl. Ito gusto ko. Ito gusto ko. Ito ang favorite ko. Ito ang favorite ko, blue board.
Gibay na ba? Gibay na ba?
Uy, Ching! Ito yung regalo mo! Ching, ito regalo mo!
Ang
Sing,
sarap
open mo
talaga.
to.
Sing, may gift size si tata. Oh. Ano mo?
Huwag naman.
Ito rin yung turotot, Ching. Para
Abot
mga si
kaya
Java,
ito ng
Ching.
bagong taon.
Yung turotot.
Wow! Ito watermelon, Ching, oh.
Ayaw niyo tumigil kay Jaba, oh.
Kasi gift mo yan, Ching, no?
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Pwede po sa ito, Java.
Wala siyang pakiching.
Uy, buksan mo na itong regalo ko. Ano ka naman? Pinakausap ko si Java.
Pero, what did you say? What did you Korea, Korea. Kala mo ito. Kala mo talaga.
We're gonna take our picture, and here's our baby. She's kind of sleepy on her stroller.
Comfy kasi.
Hindi pa siya natutulog ng nap. Kasi kulit-kulit kanina. So, ito yung tsura ng place. It's a coffee shop with self studio.